By myth and ritual, we presence the spiritual. By the might of the material, we become compatible for the celestial. The clay and fire migrate and transform to combat their mentality. Life has been given and taken from environmental for the sake of the political. We do not care about the economical or status in the societal, except as tools. There is progression in the initiatic and the regressions in the passive sense of loyal. We seek to identify who's in control nominally and actually. We are beyond isolated individuality and the bonds of community. It is not merely to rebel or to quell as one seeks liberty. We realize how we treat others is how we are treated along the way. Ascent or descent may be lofty, but it is more amoral than mere immorality or criminality. Consider what things were originally, and the ultimate result of a cosmic spirituality. No longer circumspectly, we establish what emerges from us in a firm purity